In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude a country in Etsy. If you need to stop shipping to certain destinations, whether due to carrier limits, high costs, or import restrictions, this walkthrough will show you how to adjust your Etsy shipping profile so your items are no longer available worldwide by default. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Etsy. Click the first result that takes you to the official Etsy website. Once you're there, sign in to your seller account. Make sure you're using the account that manages the shop you want to update. After you've logged in, open your account menu at the top of the page and go to Account Settings. This helps confirm you're in the right place and signed into the correct shop. From there, head to your Shop Manager, which is where all selling tools live. Inside Shop Manager, look for the Settings section, then choose Shipping Settings. This is where your shipping profiles are stored. Shipping profiles control where your items can be shipped, how much it costs, and how long they take to process, so changes here can affect multiple listings at once. Find the shipping profile you want to change and click the pencil icon to edit it. If you use different profiles for different product types or weights, make sure you choose the one that's assigned to the listings you want to restrict. Scroll down to the section labeled, "What countries will you ship to?" Here you'll see the destinations currently allowed for that profile. Look for the entry called Everywhere Else. Click the trash can icon next to it. Removing Everywhere Else turns off global availability for this profile. From now on, items using this profile will only ship to the specific countries you've explicitly included. This is the key step for excluding countries. By eliminating worldwide coverage, you gain precise control over where your products can be purchased. Before you finalize, take a moment to review the remaining countries listed to ensure they reflect your intended coverage. Remember, any listings tied to this profile will follow these rules. If other profiles exist, repeat these edits as needed so your policies stay consistent across your shop. When you're satisfied, click Save Profile. Give the page a moment to update, then spot check a listing that uses this profile to confirm the shipping destinations look correct. If you don't see changes immediately, refresh the page. That's it. You've successfully prevented worldwide shipping on that profile, helping you avoid orders from countries you don't serve. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.